In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can dropship on Etsy from AliExpress. Now, a lot of people want to start dropshipping on Etsy, but they don't know exactly what products they need to import from AliExpress to Etsy and how dropshipping works on Etsy, because it's very different from eBay dropshipping. I've been doing dropshipping for 5 years or 6 years. Etsy dropshipping is very different from eBay dropshipping. Okay, very different, because the type of products you can list or you can sell on Etsy are very different from the type of products you can sell on for example eBay. For example, on eBay you can sell this helicopter and you can get this on AliExpress for very cheap, for $30, and sell it for easily $60. And of course there is a fee of 13% or it's eBay fees, but still you are left with $10 or $15. But with Etsy you cannot sell this, because Etsy focuses more on handmade products, so you can only sell products that look like they are handmade. They are not coming from big companies like AirPods. You cannot sell AirPods on Etsy. You can only sell AirPods keys. Okay, the keys of AirPods you can sell it because it looks like it's handmade, but when it comes to electronics you cannot do that on Etsy. Otherwise, if you list products, random products from AliExpress, your account will get suspended. Okay, that's from my experience. I got suspended 2 times on Etsy because I was selling. Actually, I was not selling these products. I was only listing them. I was only importing these products into my Etsy shop. And what happened is I got suspended because on Etsy, like I said, you can only sell handmade products. So the way to do this is you want to find handmade products on AliExpress. For example, you can search for handmade necklaces, for example, and you can find a lot of products. Okay, so you can for example, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to find a necklace, for example, and I'm going to try to find it if other sellers on Etsy are dropshipping from AliExpress or not. So I'm going to search for a product here on AliExpress that's available on Etsy and see how much they are charging for this. And of course I'm going to show you how you can list the product and what you need to do in just a few seconds. Okay, so I'm going to find here a random product on AliExpress and search for it on Etsy to see if other sellers, like I said, are selling this or not. Actually, I'm going to search for custom necklace. Why? Because it looks like it's handmade. Okay, because it's custom. Okay, so I'm going to search here on AliExpress for custom name necklace. Now, for example, this one, I'm going to click on the first product. As you can see, it's custom, so you can whenever you buy the product for your customer, you can contact the seller on AliExpress, and then you can tell them, hi, I want you to change the name to this or that, you know what I'm saying? So that's exactly how it works. So what you need to do is you want to find first if other people are selling this on Etsy or not. Now I'm going to copy the whole title, and then I'm going to go to Etsy and search if other sellers on Etsy selling the exact same product or not. Now it turned out, as you can see, it turns out this seller is actually dropshipping from AliExpress. If you notice that this title is the same as this, and also the pictures are the same, so he's importing all these products, all these photos, I'm sorry, into his product page on Etsy. Now I'm going to click here on the product. Okay, so I'm going to see here how much he's charging. He's charging he's charging $13, but the cost of this on AliExpress is only $2. Okay, depends on the size. It's only $2 to $3 maximum. Okay, so that's how much money it costs on AliExpress, but on Etsy he's charging $13. By the way, if there is anything you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so just let me know in the comments your questions. I will try to reply to you. Okay, so let's continue. Like I said, this is exactly the same product. If you click here on select option, it's the same. Okay, as you can see, this comes with different metal color here, as you can see here. Also the font text font, as you can see. So this guy is a drop shipper. So what you need to do is you want to copy this title from this seller on Etsy because it's proven to work, and this title is actually getting a lot of orders right now. Like, people are searching for these keywords. Okay, I'm going to check the AliExpress title. It's actually similar, but there are some keywords that are very good here on the Etsy. On Etsy here of the supply, the guy that's drop shipping from AliExpress, he has added some like good keywords that people are searching for on Etsy. Now, compared to AliExpress, if you just copy this title from AliExpress, yes, it has 5,000 sales on AliExpress, but like, people that buy from Etsy are very different from people that buy from AliExpress. So this is not proven to work on Etsy. It's only proven to work on AliExpress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the title of Etsy seller and use this to get like customers, to get people to buy the product from us on Etsy. So as you can see here, in demand, 153 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So that's a huge number. So we need to copy this title because it's proven to work. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Okay, you just need now to go and click on shop here. Okay, so you just need to click here, and then you want to start selling. Okay, that's all you need to do. So I'm going to do that right now. So probably you know this, if you want to start selling on Etsy, you just need to scroll down and then click on sell on Etsy. Okay, so now you just need to click here on get started. It says here millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store. Click on get started, and what you need to do is you want to click on let's do this. Now it will ask you some random questions. What brings you to Etsy? You just need to select something like I'm curious about selling on Etsy. Then click next and tell them exactly what you want to sell. I'm going to select handmade and then click on start your shop, and you just need to follow the steps here. Now you just need to enter here the currency and click on save and continue, the shop name, and then click save and continue. I'm going to add here the shop name. And here you just need to enter here where your bank is located. So my bank is located in Morocco. Click save and continue, and you want to enter the first name, last name here, all the information, the personal information, in order to create a store on Etsy. Now after you create a store, after you click on save and continue, it will take you where you can enter the item details, including the item title, the images. By the way, to download images from AliExpress, you just need to download this extension. Let me show you the extension name. Just search for AliExpress, download images. Now this extension, it's called AliSave extension. You just need to download it. After you download the extension, you will be able to see these buttons here, which is variant images, main images. You can download images easily so that you can use them for your Etsy product page. Here you can upload all the images from AliExpress to Etsy so that people will be able to see exactly what they are purchasing from you. Okay, so you already know how dropshipping works. You just need to, instead like of putting your own address, you put the address of the customer on AliExpress after someone places an order on your Etsy shop. Okay, that's how dropshipping works on any platform, including eBay dropshipping, Shopify, Etsy. That's how it works. Okay, so by the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like I said, or you can just contact me on Instagram and I can answer all your questions if you want. Okay, so like I said, I've been doing dropshipping for the last 5 years. So I know exactly how it works. Let me know in the comments your questions and I will try to reply to you. Make sure to drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.